Hey everyone, it's me Blanche. Welcome to Feast in the Middle East. I'm right now in my favorite Middle Eastern market. I'm going to take you on part 2 of my Cheap Eats series where I explore legumes as viable, amazing Middle Eastern ingredients to turn your dishes into something delicious that your whole family will enjoy for like under $10. Share with you a beloved dish of my father's. It's called Ful Mudammas, and it's actually a fava bean sort of dip that he eats for breakfast every day, and it's super nutritious and healthy and filling. It'll fill you up for hours. Very popular in Palestine, in Egypt, and Lebanon, and you can just get the fava beans right here. Like, they have different kinds, so you'll see cooked fava beans, you'll see the words Ful Mudammas. That's a key that those are the right beans. And the reason why fava beans are so great is they're really rich in protein. So looking at this, for example, it has 9 grams of protein for a half a cup and 6 grams of fiber. And so with something like this, you could turn it into an amazing dish. Ful Mudammas is great because it has green onions, it's got a little bit of jalapeno for spice, and you don't have to eat it for breakfast. If you don't want to eat beans for breakfast, you could eat it as a side dish or as a lunch with something on the side. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what else I'm going to get for this absolutely beloved dish. As Ful Mudammas is traditionally eaten for breakfast, I decided to put together a picnic the next morning with this humble dish in the starring role. Funny how a simple preparation of fava beans makes me nostalgic for my childhood when my baba would help my mama make breakfast on the weekends. The weather in California has been getting warmer after a very long period of rain, and to be honest, I can't remember the last time we had a picnic. Up until this crisis, our weekends were fully scheduled with baseball games, ballet rehearsals, school projects, and fundraisers, to the point where we never really had time as a family to just chill out together. If anything, this pandemic has taught me to rediscover and appreciate the world around me in a new way. I've always had a problem slowing down, struggling with anxiety and restlessness during this whole quarantine. Sometimes I think nature encourages us to slow down and yells out to us with its beauty, but sadly most of us don't even pay much attention. Today I was going to pay attention, so let's start in the kitchen to show you how easy it is to make Ful Mudammas.
Face it bustin' on it. Blue face it bustin' on it.
Thanks for hanging out with us during this quarantine picnic. Hope you take the opportunity to reconnect with nature and the ones you love, or simply try a new recipe that will spark your creativity as well as nourish your body and soul. Please hit subscribe and like to support our channel. It's free. And for more authentic Middle Eastern recipes, you can now get my brand new cookbook. For order information, just go to my website at feastinthemiddleeast.com, and see you all very soon.